Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Venkat, Andu, Mahesh, Kamla, Maheshwari, Mohsin, Raghu, Hasani, Karthika, Revati. Good evening, everyone. So, physics over. Again, we will start with chemistry. Have you read anything from NCERT after last class? Have you seen something? If you are not having NCERT book, you can just take a look on the PDF. PDF you can download and you can just once just see it. ठीक है ना कि what 11th class looks like. ठीक है? You will also have your test. They have given you the syllabus of the test. Okay, Veeraswamy, Meghna. Sasi, Amulya, Gokul. Good evening, everyone. So, what? So today we are going to continue what we studied in the last class. I think in the last class I was telling you about the structures, expanded form, condensed form, and finally we said bond line. You were liking the expanded form. Then we said, wait, generally no one makes the expanded form. Everyone is behind the shortcut only. Array, PDF link, just type it there. Some basic concept of organic chemistry. First link will be only there. इधर type करने का. Type करो some basic concept of organic chemistry. First point only, that is the PDF. ठीक है? And I told you to do some questions also. Have you done something? बताओ कुछ किया था homework? I told you 8.4, 8.5. What is there in 8.123? 8.123 was counting sigma bond and pi bond. We will come to this point also, don't worry. ठीक है ना? So in bond line we said कि we generally don't show carbon hydrogen. Heteroatom you can show. Heteroatom you can show. If there is any functional group, then functional group we will have to show. Otherwise, how you will tell it? Functional group is there, then we can show functional group. Okay? So we will again take some examples. Let's take NCERT examples only. And I told you कि when they give you condensed structure, ठीक है ना? Then you should try to expand it. Who is connected to whom? Otherwise, many people write it in a wrong way. ठीक है? Lokesh, everything good? So you are having only physics, chemistry classes or bio classes also? Huh? For gift, Santosh. By P only? Okay. No by P. चलो ठीक है. So point is that ना कि by P तो bio means medical. ठीक है ना? So they are telling you physics as well as chemistry. So it can help in both the streams. ठीक है? So those who are interested for engineering part, they can also do it. Those who are interested for anything linked to bio, they can also do it. Physics, chemistry is common in both, na? Okay, no problem. Two subjects are sufficient to handle. Acha, did you tell your friends about the gift class? Huh? Okay, we should at least go and check once what is going on. Something is better than nothing. Now you are doing nothing at your home. So at least you can take a look on class 11 NCERT. At least you can learn something. And it is free of cost only, I think. So no tension also. ठीक है? So you are wasting many hours at your home. You can utilize at least 2 hours daily. ठीक है? And if you are so much competitive, कि why should I tell my friend? He will also learn. He will become top. ठीक ना? Then don't tell. ठीक है? Clear? Okay. चलो start the class. Raju. हो गया? Done? So you have seen the last questions. चलो, in this only I will give you one more question. देखो, there is a question like this कि CS3 whole thrice C, and then again they will write like this C, or they can simply write like this also कि CS3 whole 4C. लो, what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? What structure will you make from here? Third structure, so I told like this one, na? Third structure was this, I think. So we said ki 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, and 1 branch is there. So you can put 1 branch. This was the third question, I think. Now, so see how you have to tell these things. Like we have already said, if CS3 is there, that means this is terminal part. CS3 is there, that means this is terminal part. It will be at one end. 4 CS3 groups are there. And you can see there is a single carbon written. There is a single carbon written. There is a single carbon written. Then you will have to take care of the bonds. Like what are the 4 bonds of this carbon? टेट्रामिथाइल कार्बाइड नहीं बोलने का, ऐसे थोड़ी नाम बोलते हैं. चलो, no problem, you are not knowing. So you can simply say like this कि sir, this can be a bit expanded like this कि 1 carbon is connected to 4 methyl group. CS3 is called methyl group, so it is like this. ठीक है ना? If you want to represent in bond line, you can simply write like this also. You can simply write like this. You can say these two are condensed form. ठीक ना? This is better, condensed one, and this is your bond line structure. This is one of the carbon. देखो यहाँ पे, this is one of the carbon, and this carbon is connected to 4 other carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen you have to count on your own. Hydrogen you have to count on your own. Clear? I am good, old student. Ready? Voice not audible. What you are saying? Rest people all good. Check your connection. Huh? Bhai, am I audible to everyone? Na? Some are saying yes, some are saying not audible. What is happening? Huh? Check your connection, check your network. Your rest people, how many? Sometimes it may break. Sometimes it may break depending upon your location. ठीक है? About the IUPAC nomenclature, I will tell you later on. What is the name? We will see later on. Chalo, you do one question for me. If I give you this compound, just you tell me this. If I give you this compound, can you tell me the molecular formula of this compound? Tell molecular formula. I have given you bond line structure. You have to tell molecular formula. Jaldi batao. Let's see who is able to tell. Some questions also we should do. Otherwise, you will think, these are the very basic, sir, what you are telling. So let's do one question. Let's see how many of you are able to do this. This is the bond line structure. You have to tell me the molecular formula. Doing MBBS from where? This year batch only. C2H6. Venkat is writing C2H6. Pandu is writing C6H14. I am talking about the next question, dear. C6H6. Kartika writing C6H6. Pranathi C6H14. Gokul C6H12. Chalo. So let's tell. Now see, first let's focus on the carbon. This is carbon. This is carbon. Thing is carbon. So how many carbon are there? 6 carbon confirm. Now you have to think about hydrogen. You have to think about hydrogen. बताओ कैसे बताएगा हाइड्रोजन? We have said clearly. अच्छा, सिद्धार्था मेडिकल कॉलेज 2023. Then तो 1 year older. चलो, all good, do good, enjoy. You can also remember your past. ठीक है, तो देखो 6 कार्बन आर देयर. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड हाइड्रोजन. सर हाइड्रोजन तो नॉट विजिबल. हाउ आई विल टेल? We have already said कि अरे 1 carbon, there should be 4 bond. So just see, this carbon already connected to 1. So how many hydrogen should be there? 3 hydrogen. This carbon connected to 3 bonds. देखो. So how many bonds left? 1 bond left. So 1 hydrogen here. How many hydrogen here? Again 3, 3, 3. Here how many? 1. तो बोलो कितना आ गया? 12, 12 and 2, 14. So you can say C6H14. Those who are a bit smarter, they can think simply like this. Sir, this is the formula of alkane. We already know alkane, alkene, alkyne. There is no pi bond. So this is alkane. Alkane general formula I know. From that general formula you can tell everything. Very quickly you can tell. Clear? So chalo, let's try with the next one. चलो ये बताओ. Can you tell me the formula for this? बोलो बोलो. Can you tell me the formula for this? Yes, alkane formula you are knowing. I will write all those things. Alkane general formula, alkene, alkyne. So we are having time today. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So first of all, you have to count the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C9. Now H how many? Some people are writing 18, some people are writing 20. Nah? So can you see here 3 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. Can you tell me how many hydrogen are here? How many hydrogen at the center carbon? Bolo? 0. Because see, this carbon is connected to 4 carbon already. 4 carbon aipoindi. So now no hydrogen. 0. Here 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Done. देखो. So C9H20. C9H20. Clear? So like this, from the structure, you can tell the molecular formula. Chalo, I am telling you about 3 families. Like everyone knows alkane, alkene, alkyne. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Basic things you all are knowing. There is a general formula also. CN H2N plus 2. CN H2N only. Here CN H2N minus 2. ठीक है? You can write n from 1. N equals to 1, 2, 3 like this. ठीक है? You can write n from 1, 2, 3 like this. These are the formula. You can simply think like this. N you can write from 1, 1, 2, 3, your choice. N represents number of carbon. N simply represents what? Number of carbon. देखो, if carbon number is 1, what is the name you know? Myth. Carbon 1, then myth. Carbon 2, then ith. 3 carbon, then what you will say? बताओ तो, पता है तुमको? 1 carbon, then we'll call it myth. 2 carbon, then ith. 3 carbon, then prop. Correct. Prop. 4 carbon बोलो भाई क्या? 4 4 4 4 bute. Bute. 5 carbon. 5 carbon, what you will have? Pent. ठीक है ना? Like this. Correct. And now see, this is alkane na? This is alkane. So at last you put this ane. So what will be the name of the first compound? Methane. Second compound, ethane. Third compound, propane, butane, pentane. Is it okay? ठीक है ना? Now it's time to write the formula. Now it's time to write the formula of methane. ठीक है ना? Same thing you will say. Same thing so I can do here also. Yes, why not? I will just copy paste. See, I am doing same thing. I will clone. I will put it here. See, but I will have to change. अब n नहीं लिखने का, n नहीं, क्या लिखने का? इन. Methane. Now many people will say, sir, methane तो not there, sir. Is methane there or not? बताओ तो. बोलो भाई, methane you have heard before this. Methane. हाँ? नहीं. चलो. So when we will study normal classes ना, then I will tell you something very important is written in NCERT which no one tells and no one read also, but we will tell you. ठीक है ना? This point is written in NCERT. This point is written in NCERT. So this part we will do later on. Otherwise, if you are more interested, you can research a bit. Here something is there or not? No, it is not there. Chalo, we will see later. We will see it later. Okay? Let's start from 2. So it will be what? Ethene, propene, butene, pentene, like this. अब बताओ इधर. Now tell here. So see, things will change. Things will change. You are in class 10. In 11, many things will be elaborated. It will become bigger. ठीक है ना? You are thinking that methane is not there. We will see in NCERT. Don't worry. Wait for few days. Methane is there or not? We will see. अब बताओ इधर. Is this correct? No. You have to write here YNE. Alkyne family, YNE. So what I will write now? बोलो क्या लिखेगा? Ethyne, propyne, butane, pentane. Is it clear? नहीं है ना? Clear? Done? अच्छा. Now you will say, sir, how to use this formula? This formula तो you have not used, sir. तो चलो, we will see how to write the formula of this. देखो, what you have to do? Put here 1. N equals to 1. Then this will be C. Simply 1 C will be there. And 2N plus 2. N को 1 put करो. Here put N equals to 1. What you will get? 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So CH4. What you are getting? CH4. You can simply think like this also. Ki double this one. Whatever you are writing here, double. C2. Double. Double means what? H4. Double means what? Double means bolo kya? 2 then 4. But you don't have to write 4. You add 2 in this. So 4 plus 2 what? 6. Double karke add 2. First double, then add 2. Then can you tell me the formula of propane? Very easy now. C3. Double karo, double karo, double karo. Sir, 6 coming. Arre, don't write 6. Plus 2, 8. C3H8. Alkane, alkane, alkane. Butane. C4. Can you tell? C4 double H10 double plus 2 double C5. चलो बताओ C5 what I will write? C5 पहले डबल करने का then plus 2 double then plus 2 बोलो C5H double is 10 ना double is 10 तो 10 plus 2 12 ठीक है क्लियर ओके now you will see ki sir in alkane na there is no pi bond after some time you will study ki there are generally two types of bond one bond is sigma bond other bond is pi bond one is sigma bond other bond is pi bond so in case of alkane there is no pi bond only sigma bond is there is no pi bond so that compound is known as alkane here you can say कि there will be pi bond present you can also write like this pi bond present ठीक है sir then what about alkyne sir alkyne pi bond present or not अरे yes here also pi bond present then you will say कि sir what is the difference then you can think like this see in alkane there is only single bond CC in alkene what will be there double bond in alkyne what will be there triple bond this is alkane alkene alkyne got it alkane only single bonds are there alkene double bond is also there alkyne triple bond is there clear acha now sir where is the pi bond so we say like this in a multiple bond one is sigma rest are pi so see here only one bond is there acha sigma is represented like this sigma ठीक है so one bond sigma more than one bond one is sigma rest are pi one is sigma rest are pi so can you tell me in alkyne how many pi bonds are there bolo to in alkyne how many pi bonds are there two correct so what is happening now we have told you many things we have told you first three family there are three family ठीक है ना what family alkane alkene alkyne then I told you the general formula acha general formula done then I told you there are generally two types of bond see this we are telling very basic in future you will also see there are not only two I can study at least three bond what three bonds sigma pi delta bond is also there but now we will not say so basic we will see then we have said one thing if only one bond is there then that is sigma if more than one bond is there multiple bond then one is sigma rest are pi So 2 bonds are there. So one is sigma pi, one is sigma pi pi. Clear with this one? Okay. तो चलो ठीक है, बताओ अब इधर. Let's write the formula of alkene. ये मीथीन छोड़ देते हैं. Let's leave methene for now. Start from ethene. Ethene, how many carbon? 2 carbon. What you have to do here? Just double. See, here you have to do double. Here you have to do double plus 2. Here you have to do double but minus 2. तो जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, what should I write the formula? Double तो everyone knows 2 table ना, तो बोलो C2H. जल्दी जल्दी त्वरगा चेपंडे. C2H4, C3H6, C4H8, C5H10. Is it okay? देख लो, किसी को कोई दिक्कत? Anyone having problem? सूर्या भाई. क्या? हाँ, इधर इकड़ा. Okay. Now come to the next part. बताओ इधर क्या करने का? What we should do here? Pi bond is present. Alkyne we are talking about. Ethyne. So what I told you in ethyne? C2 double पहले double करो H4. But this is the formula of ethene ना. What you will do? Double minus 2. Subtract 2 from here. So C2H2. C3 double 6. अरे 6 नहीं, minus 2. 2 subtract करो इधर से. 2, then what I will write? 4. देखो, am I writing correct? देखो तो, am I writing correct? ये हथमिका C46 कहां से आ गया भाई? You tell me, formula of butane. बोलो ब्यूटाइन में क्या करने का? How many carbon? 4. H how many? Double is 8. Will I write 8 here? Should I write 8 here? Sub minus 2, 6. 8 9, 8 minus 2, double minus 2, double minus 2. बोलो पेंटाइन बोलो जल्दी. Last for you all. Pentyne. Lucky Bhaskar. Focus here. Tarun. Hi. C5 what? H बोलो भाई, H बोलो. H what to do? H 10 or 8? 10 minus 2. So all of you understood? Methane, ethane, ethene, propene, butene, ethyne, propyne, butane, pentyne. Clear? Okay. So now let's write the formula. कि मान लो suppose I want to write propene. Everyone see here carefully. Now we are going in double bond. How to write structure with a double bond? So I will write like this कि CH2 double bond CH3. बोलो ये क्या हो गया? Propene. How you will write this? कि sir prop means how many carbon? 3. 1 2 3. Then what? Sir, ene is there. Ene means what? There should be double bond. Done. Now what? How many hydrogen required? Just put it there. How many hydrogen required? Just put it there. Acha, if I am writing like this CH2 double bond, don't think कि H is connected by double bond. This is exactly like this. Carbon double bond C, and here 3 hydrogen. Here 1 hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen. like this is the thing. है ना? You can write H2 here also, you can write H2 this side also, no one cares. हो गया? अब बताओ तुम, next. Can you tell me butene formula? बताओ butene के लिए how I should write? Butene, how I should write? Butene formula. You can say कि sir 4 carbon. First तो you write 4 carbon. चलो 4 carbon written. Now what I should do? That is the molecular formula you are writing, ना? That तो molecular formula you are writing, Rushil. C4H8 molecular formula. We are interested in structure now. This is expanded, ना? नहीं बताओ. This is expanded. This is condensed. You will say कि sir put one double bond. चलो double bond. You can put here also. You can put here also. No problem. Later on we will see. हाँ, you are also correct, Pandu. No problem. You can put on first position also, second position also. Later on we will tell you कि nomenclature is there. If but 1 in written, but 2 in written, what is there? So now, अब बताओ, can you manage hydrogens? बोलो how many hydrogen here? जल्दी बोलो, जल्दी इधर. बोलो how many hydrogen I have to write on the first carbon? How many hydrogen here? 2. Quickly. How many hydrogen here? Second carbon. बोलो भाई. 1. How many hydrogen here? 2. How many hydrogen here? Final 3. Final what? 3. Clear? So like this you have to write the formula. Next, suppose you want to write the formula of pentyne. Bolo, how to write the formula of pentyne? And if they will ask you, write its bond line structure, how you can write bond line? You will have to do like this. देखो. How you will write bond line? How many carbon? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what? Hydrogen to we don't show. But we have to show this pi bond. One pi bond is there. So make a pi bond here. So this is butene. Clear? Bond line. Can you write pentyne? बोलो. Pentyne लिख लेगा? Can you write pentyne? Yes. 5 carbon. How many carbon? 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what? Double bond or triple bond? Bolo? Double bond or triple bond? Triple bond. Chalo, I am putting on the first position only. Now can you tell me the number of hydrogen I have to put? Jaldi batao. How many hydrogen I have to put? Here 1. Here, यहाँ बताओ तो, how many hydrogen I should put on this carbon? How many hydrogen I should put on this carbon? Middle one, 0. 3, 1, 4. Already 4 bonds are there. 0. Here H2, here H2, here H3. This is pentyne. How you can write the formula? You can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Is it clear? But see, later on we will tell you कि here we have some problem. You don't know about hybridization now. But what they will tell you, कि this is better to write like this. This is better. This is the correct one. Bolo. Now what difference you observe in these two diagrams? This is the most important one. This is the most important one. Very, very, very important. When you will see the question paper here, there they will ask you which of the following is incorrect. This one is slightly incorrect. This one is better. Listen carefully. You will see here ki sir, one bond written big and pi bonds written small. Is there any significance of this? Yes. See, one carbon is here. One carbon is here. Here. Then you will say, sir, 4 carbon only. Bolo. You will say, sir, 4 carbon only. You have to write pentyne. Bolo, is this structure correct or wrong? Everyone tell me. This structure which I have made, is this correct or wrong? Bolo. What do you think? Is this structure which I told you, is this correct or wrong? Bolo, jaldi bolo. What do you think? This is correct. See, there is significance. If I am making it small, means one carbon is here also. One carbon is here also. There is difference between writing this and writing this. If you are writing a small, means one carbon at this point also. One carbon at this point also. Understood? Now, based on this, I will ask you one question. Dekho, what difference is there in these two questions? Bolo. Can you tell me how many carbon in the first question and how many carbon in the second question? This is the most important one. If you are looking here, there, you will miss this point. This is the most important one. Don't think this is just a design, sir. Adidas design, sir. Making Adidas. Bhai, Adidas nahi. Carbon. Getting the point? What do you mean by this diagram? Chalo, double bond ke saath ones. Let's make with double bond ones. ठीक है ना? See, in this case, you will find कि अरे pi bonds written small. So here one carbon, here second carbon, and at end one carbon, 3. Can you tell me how many carbon in this question? Batao. Second case, how many carbon are there? Second case, how many carbon are there? Let's see. Have you understood or not? Everyone should reply quickly. Twarga. 4. Correct. Very good. This only we have to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pi bond written small na. 4. Understood the point? Now, can you tell me the formula? Bolo bhai, tell me molecular formula of this. Batao. Tell me molecular formula of this. There are 2 methods now to tell the molecular formula. There are 2 methods now to tell the molecular formula. One, so you can quickly say, sir, C4. Now, H, how to tell? H, either you can count or you can think this is alkane, alkene, alkyne. This is alkyne. What is the formula of alkyne? C4. क्या करने का इधर? Double. बोलो. Should I double only or I should do something else? I should double or I should do something else? Sir, -2. So 8 minus 2, how much? 6. So this is the formula. Clear? Some people will say, sir, I want to count the hydrogen here. Show me the expanded form. I want to count the hydrogen. Can you tell me how to draw the expanded form? Can you tell me how to draw the expanded form? Bolo. This is the carbon skeleton. This is the carbon skeleton. Bolo. Correct? This is the carbon skeleton. Where I should put the hydrogen now? Bolo, either how many hydrogen? Here. ఒకటి రెండు మూడు 3 here సున్నా here సున్నా here 3 so total 6. Now let's do one interesting question. See how we can make questions interesting. Everyone know sir this to cube. Chalo let's take help of a smart board. We will become smart. चलो 3D shape we will make now. ये देखो, this is a 3D shape I have made for you. Now you tell me, this is the challenge for all of you. This is the challenge for all of you. This cube you are seeing here, can you tell me the formula of this cube? Mathematics student will think this is a cube. Those who don't study, they will think this is a random shape. But if you study chemistry, you will think, here the 8 carbon are there. Bolo bhai, how many carbon? Can you tell me the formula of this cube? Let's see who gives the correct answer. People are writing, Chaya is writing C8H18. Anjali writing C8H18. H18. Many people are writing C8H18. C8 so I have told you, so don't say anything. Many people are writing 18, 18, 18. Chalo, let's see what blunder you are doing. आजा भाई इधर देखो 1 2 3 4 all corner 5 6 7 8 8 कार्बन तो डन. अब बताओ हाइड्रोजन. अब बताओ हाइड्रोजन. टेल. Now people are changing their statement कि sir 18 तो I have written by mistake. 1 is extra there. I want to remove that 1. So now people are writing C8H8. Now how this happened? See it carefully. 1 carbon, already 3 bonds are there. Yes or no? Bolo, 1 carbon, already 3 bonds are there. Yes or no? Then how many bond left? Bolo bhai, how many? All carbon 3 bonds are already there. You can check. All carbon 3 bonds are already there. Only 1 bond left. So that bond is hydrogen. So every carbon is having 1 hydrogen. Every carbon is having 1 hydrogen. Snehita, Mahesh, Suryans, Pranati, Veera, Meghna, Joel, Likita, Amulya. So bolo, what should be the formula? 1H, 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 everywhere 1H. So the formula is C8H8. Understood? Now tell me, how was this question? बताओ. Understood? ठीक है. So if you have attended these 2 lectures, ठीक है ना? If you have attended these 2 lectures, you are able to tell this. Just imagine if you have not attended this class. Your friend will come and tell you, "Kare, you know this one is C8H8." You will say, "Are you mad? Who says this is C8H8?" But those who have attended this class, what they will think? Kare, wah. Clear? So you tell your friends today, you ask them, make a cube near them and ask, "What do you think? What is this?" Clear? So if you like this question, you can give a like. Like other YouTube faculties, we are also doing like this. No? Like, share, subscribe. There is no use of all these things. Okay? We have to focus on studies. We have to finally qualify. We have to get a seat. You like, you don't subscribe, doesn't matter. Okay? We have to learn the things. We have to learn the things. This is the main point. Okay? 97 are there, 19 likes are there. Chalo, theek hai. So let's come back. So let's come back and let's see some questions. So are you understanding this part? Now we can do some questions. There is one question like this. Can you write bond line structure for this compound? Let's do NCERT questions now. Let's do some NCERT questions now. Let's do some NCERT questions now. NCERT, चलो भाई जो कल छोड़ दिया था ना, what we have left yesterday, we will do that today. आ जाओ. So what we have left yesterday, these things. Can you see these things? Let's see these things. इधर आ जाओ, देख लो भाई. NCERT, pure NCERT, NEET asked from here only. NEET asked question from NCERT only. So we have already said you कि carbon, hydrogen generally we don't show, but if functional group is there, in future you will come to learn about functional group. कि cyanide is a functional group. This is cyanide. Cyanide is a functional group. This is alcohol. Alcohol everyone knows. This is alcohol functional group. So we are representing it. In the paper they will give you question like this. Dekho. In the paper they will give you question like this. How many of you can make expanded structure from here? How many of you can make bond line structure from here? Bolo. Bana lega? Can you make bond line structure from here? Can you make expanded structure from here? Many people will say, sir, very easy. What? Arey, I will write OH. What they have written, I will write OH. Then what you will write, beta? CH2. Then what you will write? CH2. Then what you will write? CH2. Then what you will write? CH. Then what you will write? Sir, CH3. Then what you will write? CH. Bolo bhai, is this correct? Dekhna thoda. Is this correct? Then what you will write? Sir, CS3 written. Then what you will write? Sir, one more CS3 written. Bolo, is this correct? Is this the connectivity? Is this the connectivity? Bolo, ये वाला connectivity है क्या? नहीं. इधर देखो, what mistakes you have done? What mistakes you have done? CS3 you have written in middle. CS3 you have written in middle. Is this possible? Here also you have written CS3. This carbon 4 bonds not there. Okay? So first focus on the carbon. See how to do this. See from here, ki CH2 is there. CH2 means what? In middle. So 3 CH2. This is the correction. 3 CH2. Then what is there? CH is there. Then what is there? CS3. CS3 means what? Terminal. CS3 means what? Terminal. So there is a branching. There is a branching. Samjha? Then again you will find 2 CS3. Write CS3, write CS3. Bolo. We have missed some thing. CS3, CH is there. One more CH is there after this. So again CH and we have CH3. Ab bolo, is this correct or not? And OH you can write in this carbon connected to OH. Now you just check all carbon having 4 bonds or not. All carbon having 4 bonds or not. All carbon having 4 bonds or not. Correct? So like this only you have to practice these structures, these questions you have to practice. Similarly, you can do the second one. This is the A part. B part. How you will do? Sir, again OH is there. And what is there? CH. Focus on the carbon part. CH. 1 bond done. 3 bonds I have to search for. I have to search for 3 bonds. 3 bonds means what? One is OH, other is CN. Next one, CN. Clear? See, this is the structure of CN. Cyanide, na, between C and N there is a triple bond. In cyanide between C and N there is a triple bond. In cyanide between C and N there is a triple bond. Clear? So this is the diagram. If you want to make bond line, you can make bond line like this. See, this is the center carbon connected to OH, CN, CN. Understood? So I think that's enough for today. Now you can do all the questions of NCERT. In the next class, we will again make some structure and we will count sigma bond and pi bond. In the next class, we will count sigma bond and pi bond. And we will see some more difficult questions. Today from NCERT, I think you can complete this now. 8.4, 5, 6 also you can complete. देखो 6 में this C number question very good. C number question very good. Can you see here how many carbon in this compound? बताओ तो भाई. Let's see you are knowing this or not. Let's see, last question for today. Tell me how many carbon in this compound. Just tell me how many carbon in this compound. Jaldi, it's time to finish now. So see, when you will attend the lecture, now you will learn something. Instead of playing games, watching movie whole day, night, evening, afternoon, wasting time, 2 hours we can take out and we can learn something. Okay? So 1 carbon, bhai, 1 carbon here also. 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon. Can you write molecular formula for this? Molecular formula also you should practice. In the next class, we will practice molecular formulas. How to write molecular formula. Okay? So this you can try once. So your homework is, this I am cropping, you can see on your own once. Okay, so that's it for today. You can do, I think, okay, na? This one you can do. Okay, so that's it. And for homework part, you can again try. Those who have not tried, I am showing you here, at least in the video, 8.456. Everyone can try 8.456. Next class, we can see this ball and stick. What is ball and stick structure? Okay, so homework is 8.4, 5 and 6, and this is the code QR कोड ले लो भाई, स्कैन कर लो, यू विल गेट दिस PDF slides, all you will get. ठीक है? So enough for today. Hope you understood the things. Hope you are more clear about the bond line structure now. You know now something about at least sigma bond, pi bond. In next class we will count sigma bond, pi bond. Then in the next class we will see hybridization. ठीक है? Done? आ जाओ भाई, sharing is caring. Share with your friends. ठीक है? चलो ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Any doubt you can ask. Bye. इतना करेगा भाई, हाँ? Done? Now what you will do? Session finished 8 p.m. You will eat and sleep. Boya. Lakshmi. चलो ठीक है. IPL तो yesterday that who won? LSG gone. Match started. चलो ठीक है. So we will also watch something then. Thanks everyone. Bye. And try to take out 2 hours and study something. What you will do from here, that will make a habit in you, and it will help you in next 2 years. 2 years a very long time. ठीक है ना? You will have to be disciplined. You will have to study. You will have to think. You are studying for yourself only, not for teacher, not for your parents. You are doing all these things for yourself. Sure, ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Bye.